Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good skin is super important, not just for girls but even for guys, to look good and to feel confident. And being in the profession that I am in, long working hours, shoot lights and makeup, it all takes a toll on my skin. But over the years, after learning from my mistakes, I have been able to sort of come up with my nighttime skincare ritual that I follow and has worked wonders on my skin. Specifically during monsoon, skin goes for a toss no matter how much you take care of it because of all the dirt, all the grime, all the stickiness and humidity in the air. So I wanted to share my nighttime skincare routine with you all specifically for the monsoon so that you guys can achieve the skin of your dreams. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel at the end of the video. Hit the bell icon to stay notified with all my updates and comment, share and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. So let's dive straight into it.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
So once my hands are all clean, I start with removing makeup using the Bioderma Sensible H2O. This is a micellar water, probably the best in the market, extremely good for acne prone and sensitive skin. It doesn't cause any redness and removes every inch of makeup off of your face to the T. Just removing your makeup is not enough and you need to double cleanse. So I then go in with my Avène soap free cleansing gel and I alternate it with the Face Shop cleanser, but on days when my skin is feeling acne prone and sensitive, I like to go in with Avène. I use an electronic face cleaning brush. This one I got from Russia. You can buy something similar from India, but this helps the cleanser penetrate deep into your pores and removes every inch of dirt and grime and makes sure that your skin is squeaky clean. Next, very important, exfoliation. Exfoliation is nothing but removing all the dead cells off of your face so that new skin cells can come up and breathe and your skin feels fresh and rejuvenated. So I'm going in with the Body Shop Rice and Ginseng face mask. This is actually a face mask with tiny exfoliating particles in it. So I use it as a scrub because I need a very mild scrub for a day-to-day basis. And then I leave it onto my skin for 5 minutes, let my skin absorb the good properties. I don't have more time than that every day at night. So I then like to take it off using a hot towel because a hot towel will help open up my pores. And that's super important because my pores need to be open enough to absorb the toner and the serum that I'm going to be applying after this because I have huge pores and that's a major problem area for my skin. I go in with the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil Face Mattifying Toner. This is holy grail, my friends, because it has tea tree oil which helps with acne and the toner of course helps with closing down the pores, reducing their size. Well, do not ignore your lips. Your lips also need to be moisturized so that when you wake up in the morning, they're soft and supple for that lipstick to go on like a pro. For face serum, I've been loving the Power 10 formula by It's Skin. This is a Korean beauty brand. By the way, guys, a lot of the products that I've used today are actually Korean beauty brands, which I think work really well for me, especially during monsoons because Korean skincare is probably well known across the world and this serum is amazing. It has licorice and vitamin E that helps replenish my skin. And I also like to go in with an additional serum which is the Face Shop Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Serum. This is again the best Korean beauty serum that I've tried in a while. It is only for my pores, so I'm applying it just for the T-zone. Also guys, there are a couple of additional products like these which I use only when my skin has a lot of acne that have been suggested by my dermatologist. But since my skin looks relatively okay, I'm going in with my regular Yves Rocher moisturizer. This is a very good hydrating gel moisturizer that I love. And that completes my nighttime skincare routine. I try and do this every night before going to sleep and it has worked wonders for my skin. You can shop for all of these products on Myntra Beauty. The links are given below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!